Okay. What's going on, guys? Back again. Nobody likes missing a break. Let's break these boxes. See what's up. Get some gloves on. No glove, no love, right? Hey, Brent. Oh, I see a Kyle and a Bernie. Guys, give me like 2 minutes here. I'm just gonna do a little bit of camera angle work. That's why it's on live now, because my camera shows at a different angle and a different perception. Tuck it back a little bit. Okay, so right there will give me that. That'll work. Pew. Everybody's in. Hey, Bernie, if you're paying attention to this, you want to message Gavin and tell him we're on, because he seems to think I have time, and let's be honest, I don't. I am going to pop out for a quick cigarette. You guys give me 2.5 minutes. We'll play some hockey card gambling. Okay, let's crack some boxes, boys and girls. So, obviously today the hot topic is hockey. I mean, let's be honest, they shut down the NHL playoffs, they shut down the NBA playoffs. I don't know if it's going to make a difference. You hope, with the world being as crazy as it is, that these guys that make these multi-million dollars have a bit of a social conscience and they do the right thing. And if they feel like they've accomplished something, I guess you got to give it to them, right? I mean, let's be honest. That's kind of what it's all about. I don't see a Byron yet, but I'll start showing these. You guys can see the serial numbers as described. There it is. Serial numbers as described. I don't want anybody to lose any track of any boxes. Okay. Let's go see what everybody's got and open some hockey cards. So, we have Anaheim with Courtney, Arizona with Manny, Bruins go to Byron, Buffalo goes to Brent, Calgary goes to Manny, the Carolina Hurricanes go to Kalen, Blackhawks, Kalen, Avalanche, Byron. Ooh, Byron, that might be a nice one. Blue Jackets to Courtney, Dallas to Kalen, Detroit to Manny, Edmonton to Manny. Ooh, Manny, nice hit there. Florida to Kalen, Los Angeles to Byron, Minnesota to Byron, Montreal to Haas. That was our free winner for a free spot. The Preds go to Manny, the Devils go to Byron, Islanders to Manny, Rangers to Byron, Senators to Kalen, the Flyers go to Byron, Penguins to Byron. Those are two of all the two to get. The Sharks go to Manny, the Blues go to Gavin, the Lightning go to Kalen, the Leafs go to Manny. Ooh, another good one. Byron's got the Canucks. Hello. Brent's got the Knights, Byron's got the Caps, and Gavin's got the Jets. Okay, well, what do you guys want to start with? Let's start with some Allure this time. Stack these up over here. Make sure you can still see all of the boxes. All right, guys. Big hits, no whammies. Here we go. So my first experience with Allure You know what? We got some okay hits. It was kind of cool. It was different. A lot of hits, though. I mean, you're definitely got to keep your eye open for all of them. With any luck, we'll have some monster hits in this one. So, first pack. Good luck, everybody. Wow, that's going to be a stubborn one. There we go. For your Vegas Knights rookie, Jimmy Schultz. Top 50, Nicholas Haig. We've got a rookie jersey card, red. No number. For your Detroit Red Wings, we have a Zach McEwen rookie card. And we have one base card in the whole pack. Man, are those shiny. Whew. Next pack. We've got, let's just throw that, I don't care. Teuvo Teravainen for your Hurricanes base card. We have Dante Fabro rookie card. We have a John Tavares base card. Ooh, that's a good one. So, for your Montreal Canadiens, iced out, Carey Price, Allure. And speckled orange, Nikita Kusev rookie card. That'll be numbered at a 199. Orange slice, sorry, not speckled orange. That's a nice rookie card. Going out to your Devils. Who's got New Jersey? That'll go out to Byron. I think Byron did really well on the Allure last time, actually, now that I kind of think about it. Alright, next pack. We've got a Patty Kane base card. Camera back a bit here, make my life a little easier. We've got a Nathan Bastian top 50. We've got an Allure white rainbow of Max Domi going out to your Canadiens. We have a rookie of Cody Glass. We have a Carey Price base. And we have a Taro Hiroshi going for the Devils. Alright, so in here we've got a Vitaly Abramov. Sorry, guys. They'll just throw any rookie in here by the looks of it. We have an Winter Storm Warning, Drew Doughty base. We have a Winter Storm Warning for your Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. And we have a rookie auto. Ooh, New York Rangers. That goes out to Byron. Byron, I think you deserved a little good karma in here. Numbered at a 349. Nice hit, nice hit. Adam Fox, Binnington base, and a Tuck base. All right, Byron, you're just killing it tonight, buddy. Haas, you got yourself a free spot, sir. Can't complain with free stuff, I hope. Montreal Canadiens, let's see. I think we actually had a Montreal Canadiens hit in here, too. We got a Max Domi, white parallel. Carey Price, iced out. Yeah, so free spots paying off. John Gibson, base. Hey, man, no, thank you for patronizing our site. It's been a lot of fun. A bit of a learning curve for sure. Just trying to give you guys some quality breaks. Colton Periaco, base. Vitaly Abramov, top 50. Andrei Vasilevsky, white parallel. Steve Stamkos, base. And for your New York Islanders, which is Manny, no? Yeah, Manny. Oliver Wahlstrom rookie card. Oliver Wahlstrom. All right, we've got a Matt Murray base, a Max Varano rookie card. We've got a Philip Myers rookie card. We have a Joe Pavelski numbered, nope, not numbered, just a red rainbow. Parallel, base, Ryan O'Reilly, and Ryan Poling, rookie card. All right, 2 more packs of Allure to go, guys. Good luck. We've got a Rem Pitlick rookie. Rem Pitlick. A Braden Point base. A Nick Suzuki top 50. Kirby Doc top 50, but this one is numbered out of 50 for your Blackhawks. I think you guys, some of you guys probably know we'd be saying for your hacks. Shout out to the 306 guys and everything they do out there. They're a lot of fun. Kalen. Rookie Noah Dobson. And rookie Max Jones. All right. Last pack of Allure. And then we're on to probably Trilogy, I think, next. What do you think? Somebody tell me what they want to see after this. We've got Trilogy, SP Game Used, and Ice next. So, first person to comment, I'll open that box next. We've got a base. Sorry. We've got an Alex Ovechkin base. We've got a... Ooh. 1 second here, guys. We've got a Jacob. I'm going to save that one for last. Cody Glass, rookie. Somebody's got to pick which box we do next. Rookie Rasmus Sandin. All right. For your Canucks. This is a base card. Quinn Hughes, rookie. Not numbered, but a parallel nonetheless. Look at that bad boy. Whoo. There you go. I believe Vancouver goes to Byron, does it not? Nice. Somebody tell me what that is, though. What prism it is. It doesn't... just shows as a base rookie card, but it's obviously not. All right, we're doing ice next, I heard. There you go. All right, we got anything super fat? Super fat goes on the bottom. All right. Let's do some ice. Oh, let's not do any ice. That doesn't sound like a fun night. We have a base Patrick Laine. A Tyler Seguin base. A William Karlsson parallel. And we've got a jersey premieres of Jordan Kyrou. Jordan Kyrou for St. Louis. Who's got St. Louis? Hey, Gav, that's a hit for you, buddy. That's a nice card. Ooh, Byron, you just missed a few hits, bud. I'm going to take you through and we'll take a look and show everybody everything after. So, Byron, you'll get to see. You definitely did well, though. Manny, I can't pull off all your teams at the second, but you've got the Oilers, the Red Wings, the Flames, Preds, Islanders, San Jose Sharks, Toronto Maple Leafs. You got some good ones. Alright, base. And that'll be our insert. For your Dallas Stars, Rupe Hintz. I believe this kid's selling really, really well right now, if I'm not mistaken. That'd be going out to Kalen. So that'll be a big hit for sure, if it is what I think it is. And a base. And a base. Ooh, this one feels especially fat. Nope, just a filler. Clayton Keller base. Evgeny Kuznetsov base. A Thomas Chabot parallel. Okay, let's do our base card first. Who's got Montreal? Haas, buddy. Poof. You might be able to afford to take all of Kyle's money. Keep getting hits for free. We got a Jesperi Kotkaniemi Sub-Zero Acetate numbered at a $9.99 rookie. This kid's going to be dynamite for them within the next few years. Nice hit, Haas. All right. A base of Mr. Marchand. I should probably pull that out there. Put that up with the hits. And parallel Connor McDavid. For your Flames, Calgary, Manny. This one's for you, buddy. It's another Sub-Zero rookie acetate of Dylan Dubé. Nice card. Nice card. Connor McDavid base. William Karlsson base. So far, so good. Out of the two boxes, I don't think we're doing poorly. Alright, so let's save that one for last. We've got Alex DeBrincat base. Oliver Ekman-Larsson base. Victor Hedman base. Alex DeBrincat parallel. And for your Toronto Maple Leafs, because it has the Maple Leafs logo on the back, Jake Gardner. Rinkside Autos. It's the crappy part of opening older products sometimes. But nice hit for Manny, I believe. Let's go to Toronto. Manny, you've got Toronto. You got a nice Rinkside Auto there, buddy. Let's see, last pack. Of course. Let's go this way. All right. Parallel, or sorry, in base. Evgeny Malkin base. Jonathan Taves base. Evgeny Malkin insert. That's a hit. And our last card of the evening is Spencer Fu for your Calgary Flames, Manny. Spencer Fu. Nice Premier's rookie. That's a nice card. Nice hit. All right. Well, we're cruising away. We're down 2 boxes. Let's do Trilogy next. Trilogy. Let's see what we can find. Some guys go monster hunting. Some guys are breaking fire. Some guys are bringing the heat. Oh, man. I want to bring that ice, that cold, that good stuff. Let's go. Let's get you guys some big hits here. Big hits. No whammies. All right. Starting off, I'm going to save... I was trying to pick one. I'll save that one for last. See if it's got the money in it. Ooh. God, those open so much nicer. For base of Jack Eichel. Base of Carey Price. For your Edmonton Oilers, you have a Connor McDavid, numbered out of 799, Trilogy. First Edmonton hit. You got Edmonton. It's a Manny hit. You got a Connor McDavid in there, Manny. Nice. Johnny Gaudreau base. Alright, so I guess I can tell you guys now, our next product will be a inner case of ingrained, so that'll be a lot of fun to pull out and see and hopefully get some big hits. Make sure that you guys pay attention. The break should be up here early next week. Base, Drew Doughty. Nikita Kucherov, numbered out of 799. Tampa Bay goes to Kalen. Filler. And base. Let's see. Okay. Jonathan Marchessault, base. Kevin Shattenkirk, base. Hey, there he is. Look at that boy again. Jeez, Haas. You're having a pretty good night. Mr. Kokaniemi. Numbered out of 999. For your Montreal Canadiens. Haas, you're going to have to come bring some of that money to poker here, man. You got some luck. Alright. Hey, there you go. Another Edmonton hit. Number 407 out of 457, because that's not an odd numbered card. Mr. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins goes to your Edmonton Oilers. That'll be a Manny. Mr. Medeiros, Spacer, and Crosby base. Ooh, hello. Here, hold on. You can see that yourselves. For your Montreal Canadiens. Haas, buddy, we got to talk, man. We got to talk. Look at this. Larry Robinson, puck auto. Man, the free spot. It's got to be some luck, man. Bernie, do you rub some luck on these cards? And base and base. Gonna come donate. I like it. I like it. Philip Forsberg. No. Oh, this is just hilarious. Haas, buddy. Noah Juleson. Rookie premieres numbered out of 499. Wow, man, that horseshoe is deep. Last two. TJ Oshie base. Galchenyuk, numbered out of 799. Might as well be numbered out of 1,000,000. And base. Base. Now, I thought there was some heat in here the last pack, but I might have been wrong, guys. I mean, realistically speaking, it's always possible. Johnny Tavares, base. For your Calgary Flames, going out to Mr. Manuel Medeiros. Check that out, buddy. Another rookie. Base. Base. All right, last box, y'all. All right, guys, thanks again for coming and hanging out with me. I hope you're having an amazing day. Just in case you guys don't know, if you ever get the chance to go hit up Posh Eaters, you'll find Haas down there cooking his ass off, probably. Great food. There's a grilled cheese you guys make, Haas. I believe it's tomatoes, peppers, something else I can't remember off the top of my head, but it has got to be the best tasting thing on earth. For those of you in town that are trying to remain 420 friendly, head on down to see Rob or Kyle. Go check them down at Euphoria Cannabis. Nice store, very knowledgeable staff. They treat you good. So if you're in Kitimat or Terrace, even Terrace, it's worth the drive. Prices can't be beat in my books. So anyway, good luck to you guys. Here we go. Let's do this. Y'all don't get to see it until it breaks. All right. Yeah, the chorizo pepper relish, man. Gotta be one of the greatest things. I almost wish I had it at home sometimes for my own. Gotta be one of the best things I've ever had out of a food truck, by far. So, let's start with numbered out of 130. Number 100 out of 130 for your Philadelphia Flyers. Philadelphia is Byron. Nolan Patrick. Nice card. And a rookie for your Toronto Maple Leafs, Manny. Be numbered at number 202 out of 294 of Andreas Janssen. There we go. Next up, ooh, that's some dynamite. That'd be Jordan Kyrou for your St. Louis. That'd be going to Gavin. Numbered out of 15, 4 color, 5 break, patch auto, numbered out of 15. That is some dynamite. Nice card, Gav. Gav might not know it, but that's a big hit if he becomes anything at all. For your Buffalo Sabres. Buffalo going out to Brent. Casey Middlestat, banner year. Casey Middlestat for your Buffalo Sabres. Next up, we've got, hey, King Hendrick's watching, and go figure. There's a King Hendrick, Mr. Hendrick Lundqvist. I believe they should call him Mr. He's quite the goalie. Sure wish Vancouver had him for his prime. New York Rangers going out to Byron. And show you guys, there's nothing left. For your San Jose Sharks, going out to Manny again. A rookie jersey, numbered out of 499, number 109. Alright, so let's have a quick flick through the break and see what we've got for hits. We do have quite the pile. We have San Jose. Just so you guys get an extra look. Helps if you turn them right side up. That's a sweet card. That is freaking sweet, Hoss. That's impressive, man. Guy pulls off the free spot after a whole bunch of mess of crap, and bam. Get some money cards in here. I definitely would say it was worth the price of the boxes. That's another nice card. Nice break, Kokanami and Rupe Hintz. All these will get packaged up here. What's today? Get packaged up on Saturday. They'll be available to you guys. Here's a Byron hit coming up. Check that bad boy out. Nice Quinn Hughes. I'm not 100% sure what the refractor is on it or anything like that. Maybe if somebody has some info, feel free to let me know. I personally don't know the card. It's nice. Rasmus Sandin. Glass. Kirby Doc. Joe Pavelski. And there's the rookie auto. Just so you guys can have another look and see what you got. Alright, that was a lot of fun. Like I said, stay tuned. Next week we'll have the inner case of Ingrained. So that'll be a lot of fun to watch. After that, who knows what we'll do. We'll definitely go find ourselves some more fun stuff to hit and hope for the best. Anyway, guys, it's been a slice. Thank you very much. Hoss, I will see you the next time you guys are serving my grilled cheese. Other than that, for half of you, we'll see you on Saturday for poker. Take care, guys.